Every electric mobility conversation in India begins with one question. Can you truly rely on an EV on a daily basis, day in, day out? And that's where the Maruti Suzuki Vitara comes in, the company's first ever electric vehicle that focuses on offering best-in-class engineering and everyday usability. This is not an adaptation from an existing model. The Vitara is built as an electric vehicle from the ground up with a dedicated platform and powertrain called autoX E. The platform and the structure uses over 60% high tensile steel, enhancing rigidity and reinforcing a strong foundation for safety. Two battery options are available, a 61 kWh pack with a range of up to 543 km and a 49 kWh unit offering 440 km of range on a single charge. In real world terms, that means fewer charging stops and more spontaneous plans, office commutes, weekend road trips, and much more. It handles it all without making you think twice. The battery charges from 10 to 80% in 45 minutes with a DC fast charger, and it takes around 8 to 9 hours with an AC charger. Maximum power ranges from 141 brake horsepower to 172 brake horsepower depending on the variant you choose. Peak torque is 193 Nm for all models. Efficiency is further enhanced by aerodynamic detailing, including a flat underbody and adaptive grille shutters that optimize airflow. The cabin of the Vitara is well appointed and makes use of top-notch materials, giving you a premium feel. The interior is complemented with a liberal serving of features and creature comforts. A 5-star Bharat NCAP rating, 7 airbags, and level 2 ADAS calibrated for the Indian driving environment means that you always stay safe in the Vitara. Charging is supported by an expanding ecosystem, including over 2,000 Maruti Suzuki charging points, along with access to leading public networks through the E4Me app. The experience then becomes less about managing range and more about enjoying the drive. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara brings together range, safety, and usability in a way that feels like a complete package and ready for all the challenges every single day.